guys, and that was a weird intro, I should say. What the hell? Don't look at me. Don't look at.
Not bad.
Okay, Animal Jam. Have any of you guys been to the land of Jamaa?
No.
Well, this time you are. So go with it, or I'll kill you. Sorry. Animal Jam. Dead.
Are you kidding me?
Says the Daniel over here got wet in... Yeah, says the guy over here got wet in the colour at school.
I can't believe you've done this.
Yes, I wet your colour. It was an evil thing to do.
Now my shirt's all red.
I wonder what your mum's going to think when you go home.
She's not back till 9. She's not back till 9 o'clock, so...
Yeah, I can't
So drinks on you.
Yeah, so let me just sit. Oh, look at this colour. Daniel Thompson. What have you done? I want juice. Give me some juice. I want some juice. I'm a rabbit who wants some juice.
Why is your game so glitchy?
I don't know. Why is your colour so juicy?
Oh my god, I'm
sorry, I shouldn't be talking.
I'm gonna kill you in a minute.
Why? It's inappropriate in the video, so I'll just keep on making videos. And then... Yeah. Why are you pretending to hit me?
You must die. Strawberry.
Strawberry. Where's the strawberries? I need the strawberries. No! I don't. Strawberries. No. Yay. Yay. Good job. I got my strawberries, everyone.
You are so mean and offensive.
Yes, says the guy who wanted to watch his channel instead of making a video.
Yes, because I can't make a flipping video. Because I haven't got my mum's phone.
Hard luck.
Hard luck, I know, right?
Yes. I'm sorry, I can't use the collar thing anymore.
Oh, so cool.
Yeah, wet collar.
How do you stop and start the video? Because I saw you show Riley other. There's no button.
That was wet. Sorry, stand by. Good. I want to drink my drink. Let me drink it. You guys are butt faces, so you don't let me drink my drink.
So you. Oh!
I am the one.
I am the one of your name that don't get respect.
This is very this is very hot.
Hey guys.
Why is there a rainbow?
Hey guys, if you like Wednesdays, eat your pizza, mate.
Has 9 cats been here, Dan? I was down there.
Just to let you know.
9 cat, I want to see you.
Just to let you know, I have my YouTube
Where is
channel,
this?
Blackburn Fan. Please subscribe.
No.
Please, just subscribe.
No one will subscribe to
I'm
you.
very lonely. I've still got more videos on you, but you've done like screen recording.
Yeah, you will be very lonely no matter what you do.
So just subscribe. I need money.
You need money. I need money and a lot of other beats. No, that's not the wrong song.
I need money.
Mom, that's a waterfall. Now let me go shower in that waterfall.
No, I'm going pee-pee, guys.
Where did I just go? Alright, are you ready? Show up. Ah!
What?
Oh my god, this is tropical.
No, guys, I'm just going to the toilet. I'll be back. Do what you want.
Wait till you cry. Let me hear that. Cry, baby. Oh my god, guys, I can't believe I'm actually doing this. FBI, open up! No. He pee pee dance. I'm gonna buy some clothes. I want some clothes. No, I want an emerald cloak. Yeah. I'm the man in this town. Yeah. I'm the man in this town. Oh my god, I hate Anya's TV show. Sorry if you think I watched that. But no, I don't. It's Anya. It's my stupid Anya who I will kill if I could. Sorry, girls.
Yeah. Right.
What?
Guess what?
Where are you going?
I got nope. Look, I've got a jumper in my bag to cover my roses.
Alright. Just here to show you this one game. Long shot. Long shot! I said long! Ready! There we go.
Obviously, because he's doing the same today.
Oh, yeah, baby. Yeah.
Sorry we don't live in England, because we do. But I think...
Yeah.
But I think my
working
man
with me.
here actually made... We're at his house, and I'm sure... Did you say it in your first video?
Yes.
Did you say where you lived in the first video?
No.
I think you did, like, honestly.
Oh my god, so much candy.
I watched your introduction.
Whee!
I watched your introduction.
Yeah.
I'm 100% sure I watched.
I did not have an introduction.
Yeah, you did. On your YouTube.
Watch me go. Oh my god, that was so good. 705 wins. Okay, one more go.
Wait, how'd you play that?
So, ready and standing by. Bah.
That wasn't very good.
Oh wow, I can't believe this just happened. Why'd you party and you didn't even do anything?
And yeah.
Get out of my life!
You didn't really make a sign saying new girls.
I did.
Just Elven boys, but where's it gone? I've not been able to see it.
What? Oh god, I hate this.
Yay.
Sorry, look. Why is this celebrate?
I want to read the fun fact.
No, you're not reading the fun fact.
Oh, I love reading facts.
Because you are a fun fact feature. Woo! Yes! My man's doing it now. Oh no, this is bad. Yeah, he's gonna die any
Just
minute.
wait a long time, wait a long time.
Wow.
Wait a
Why
long
are you
time.
partying? I'm sorry guys, I just get very, very angry. Wow, quit.
Now, we have to wait a long time if you want. If you like, imagine if you could pull it all the way to the sand bit.
Yep. No, I'm sorry guys, but that has to be it. Because I said, I was just showing this one thing of you idiots. And you think I'm going to show you more? Well, no, goodbye, I said. I said goodbye. Stop.